Dear students, good morning. Today we had to do the example of invertible function. Show that this function is invertible and find the inverse of the function. We have to do with the two different methods. The first one, the statement is f is a function from r positive to minus 9 infinity such that defined by this fx is equal to 5x square plus 6x minus 9, where r positive is the set of non-negative real numbers. Show that this f is invertible with f inverse y is equal to square root of 54 plus 5y minus 3 divided by 5. Is it clear? The first method, we have to prove that this function is 1 1 and onto. As we have done earlier, let x1 x2 belongs to r positive such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies f of x1 5x1 square plus 6x1 minus 9 is equal to 5x2 square plus 6x2 minus 9. This 9 will be cancelled. All the terms take on this side. 5x1 square minus 5x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 is equal to 0. And from this we can take common x1 minus x2 common by making the factors for this. 5x1 plus 5x2 plus 6 is equal to 0. As you know, this x1 x2 belongs to r positive, and therefore this 5x1 plus 5x2 plus 6 is not equal to 0. And therefore, because here the product of two terms is 0, this term is not equal to 0, only this implies x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, and this implies x1 is equal to x2, and therefore f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. It means f is 1 1. Is it clear? And now to prove onto. For onto, here y is equal to 5x square plus 6x minus 9. Here we have to find the range of the function. For the range of the function, as x is greater than 0, and therefore 5x square plus 6x is also greater than equal to 0, and this implies 5x square plus 6x minus 9 is greater than equal to minus 9, and this term is y, and therefore y is greater than equal to minus 9, and it means range means the values of y is greater than equal to minus 9. It means range becomes minus 9 to infinity. Is it clear? And now here range, that is minus 9 to infinity, is equal to codomain of the function, and therefore this function f is onto. F is 1 1 and onto, and therefore f is bisective. You can say this is number 1, this is number 2 from 1 and 2. Either f is 1 1 and onto, therefore f is bisective. Is it clear? And now here we have to find the inverse of the function. For to find f inverse, fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y. That means we have 5x square plus 6x minus 9. Multiplying by 5, 5y is equal to 25x square plus 30x minus 45. Adding 9 and minus 9. This 25x square plus 30x plus 9, it becomes the whole square of 5x plus 3 whole square and minus 45 minus 9, that means minus 54. Consider on this side, 5y plus 54 is equal to 5x plus 3 whole square, and therefore this 5x plus 3 is equal to square root of 54 plus 5y, and therefore this x is equal to 54 plus 5y root minus 3 divided by 5. And what is this x? X is a function of y, and therefore f inverse y is equal to square root of 54 plus 5y minus 3 divided by 5. Is it clear? Second one, to find the inverse, this y is equal to this term. Find x in terms of y by using quadratic formula. 5x square plus 6x minus 9 minus y is equal to 0. Quadratic formula, x is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 4 into 5 into minus 9 minus y divided by 10. That means x is equal to minus 6, 4 you have to take common, plus minus 2, then it becomes 9 plus 45 plus 5y divided by 10 minus 3 plus minus 54 plus 5y divided by 5. As y belongs to minus 9 to infinity, therefore this term 54 plus 5y root is greater than 0, and therefore 54 plus 5y minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to x. And what is this x? X is the inverse of y. Is it clear? It means inverse of a function f inverse y is equal to 54 plus 5y minus 3 divided by 5. Is it clear? This term is positive, therefore 54 minus 5y minus 3 divided by 5 is also positive. Inverse of a function is this term. Is it clear?